But now remember, this week has been busy for us right here at the home of Bold newspaper, The Standard. And right here, these are the stories that made the headlines this week. Finance bill crackdown. This is all about the arrest of Njeri and the Ruto Raila hypocrisy. This is with regard to right of expression and Western arm twist. This is all about the land and what the Kenya KCAA is now saying they want compensation and not the land. All that we covered for you this week, including state impunity, still Njeri making the headlines, and Godfathers have it. This is all about the web with regard to IEBC, and if at all the commission that will be put in place will indeed give us a credible election. Only time will tell. And end of free education, a story that is painful and hard, because then again there is no money to fund education. How will that go? All that on Kenya's Bold newspaper the entire week. And then again we compare the two back in 2003 when the free education starts today. How big was that? Millions of Kenyans and their children managed to go to education. But let's go to 2025 and it's an end to free education. Those two headlines, same country, matters to do with a few years. But then again tomorrow in Kenya's Bold newspaper, what is it that we have for you? We have Big Man Syndrome. Be sure to get yourself a copy of Kenya's Bold newspaper tomorrow, because we'll be having many stories in there, and it is at this point that Weekend Prime comes to a close. My name is Dennis Aseto, our sign language interpreter is Pretty Janet. To the entire team that made this production a success, asante sana, including you for keeping us company. Tunasema asante sana. But even as we leave, Iwake is coming up.